this is Carl Wheezer, and I'm gonna play Five Nights at Freddy's. I don't know if this is a naughty game or not. Wait, what is that thing? It's staring at me. He's creepy. I'm gonna pick new game. Freddy Fazbear's Pizza, huh? Is this like donkey cheese? Because I see these talking animals with costumes on just went to the donkey cheeses. Yeah. Donkey cheese, a good days? Oh. Oh. Wow. Hello? Hello there! What's going on? What is that creepy pink guy over there staring at me? Hello? Oh. Hey there, stranger. Oh, you're recording me this message, okay. Oh. Alright. Oh no, that looks creepy. Why would they build that place? Oh, okay, I'll be fine. What does that pen do? Whoa! Whoa, whoa, whoa! They look kind of weird. And is that the chicken guy that is weirder? Alright. Oh, that looks creepy. Why are their heads everywhere? Why would they put that here? Salary out of order. Wait, what's in there? Is this an arcade machine? Okay, tables on the... Okay, there's hats on the tables. Looks like a dining area. Yeah, it is a dining area. Stupid songs. I don't want to hear that. Well, I do hear what Mr. Neutron is doing the stupid song, don't it, boy? Wait, are these memes? Okay, they're memes on the walls. Why would I... Oh, a restroom, so I can take a pee there. Yeah. Wait, camera disabled? Oh, I gotta check that room later. Can I walk? Rules for safety. Don't run, don't yell, don't scream, don't... What? Don't poop on the floor? Okay, good rule there, but stay close to Mom. Don't touch Freddy, don't hit, leave before dark. Okay, I guess they left before dark, I guess. Okay, let's party. Looks kind of dark in there. Okay, what does this button do? Oh yeah, I remember that. I don't know what... Whoa! Oh! The door? They're bolted! Man! What do I have power left for? I don't know what these doing there. Okay. Looks kind of creepy and weird. And the bear's mouth is open. Huh. Alright. Oh. Oh, okay. Absolutely necessary. Okay. Good night, man. Alright, so this is 2 a.m. I better be going to bed before school. Yeah, I go to school a lot, but I think I'm homeschooled with Jimmy Neutron. Alright. This room is a bit creepy. Alright, what are these? That looks like a dog, and that's a duck, and that there looks like a mouse. Okay. Nothing's going on here. I'm watching you guys. Oh man. Alright. So it's 2 a.m. and it's like bedtime. Yeah, I think Sheen and Jimmy might be sleeping. Well, this place This looks kind of dark. Why would they do that? Can I turn on the lights? Okay, 3 a.m. Looks normal and peaceful. Lights. Lights. Okay. Whoa! Whoa! Where did he go? Ah! It's a shadow! Oh! Oh! How did you get out here? Oh my God! How did you get out of here? What's happening to the cameras? Huh? What is this? It's still glitching. Okay. Where's that bunny? Ah! Oh, you must be walking. Oh, where'd he go? Where did he go? Oh man. My camera's glitching. It's still 3 a.m. Okay. Oh, I see you there! Hey there, what's up? Okay, got no power left because of my camera. Oh my God, it looks creepy. Why is he staring at me like that? Lights! Lights will protect me now. Okay. You look kind of creepy there. Okay, I see you. I see both of you chilling. Alright, then. Alright. Oh man, why is there a speaker going over there on my desk? Okay, that looks weird. Okay, you're still standing here. And I don't know what's in this curtain. Oh, a pirate cove? Oh, pirates. Yeah, I hope they're not dangerously pirates. If it is, I'm gonna get mad at them. I'm gonna bump that poster. Why did he squeak for? Okay. Ah! Ah! Why is he screaming at me? Okay, you're still here, but this one is... Oh man. Go back to your stage! You look creepy! Who just requested me to play this game? Oh man, can you help me? Where do you go? Where do you go? What was that noise in there? Okay, you're here. Maybe that chicken guy's in there. Okay. What do I do? What do I do now? Where'd he go? What are you doing? What are you doing to me? You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna lock these doors. There! Protected! Nobody's gonna hurt me. You know what? I'm gonna leave that door open because of the power. Oh dear. Where are you? Where are you? I'm gonna lock the door! Okay. I'm gonna protect myself. What is that music? Who's making sounds? Fire. Oh my God, he's getting close to me. Okay. Alright. Are you back here? Alright. Oh man. Wait, what was that? Oh man, that might be that guy. Oh man. Wait, what was going on? Where are the lights? What happened? Jimmy Neutron, can you help me? The sparkles! Wait, they're not sparkles. What? 5 a.m.? What? Oh! I beat the game! Now I survived! Yeah! Okay, second night. Alright. You just got me nervous. Alright, this is the next day. So... Oh, another phone call. Okay. Whoa. Okay, they're back over there, and the power's back on. Thank you, power repairman. Hi. Alright. Yeah, thank you. Okay. Wait, what's going on now? What? Now what is this? Where is it? Where is it? Okay, he's over there again. Ah! What was that? Oh, what's going on? Oh, what's going on? What was that? Oh, God. Just scared me. Excuse me, phone? I think that camera appeared as the face of a creepy bear. Oh, no. Alright, I'm going to close the door. My heart is raising up, Jimmy. I'd rather run oopie oopie. Okay. Oh, he's staring at me. Oh, man. Alright. Alright, bye. Hey there, creepy guy. You there? Hello? Ah! What's going on again? Not again, not again. They're talking. Okay, I'm going to close all the doors since it's creeping me out. Alright, I'm gonna open that one since he's going on the left side. Oh dear God. Lord. Oh, what's this music? Okay, he's out of here. He's going back. Oh. Where'd he go? Where is he? Where's the bunny? Oh dear. Oh my God. So scary. Where is that rabbit?
Good morning to you. Good morning to you. We're all in our places. We're so amazing.
Sorry, my camera just crashed, so I had to restart the game. Alright, you're still here, guys. You know what? I'm gonna shut these doors. Yeah, that's good. Shut these doors. That's great. Oh, will you shut up? There. Wait. Dum 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 dum. I hear some dum dum dum. Okay, I see you. I see you. I just found you. You're walking down trying to find something. Don't know what in the world is he up to. Okay, I'm safe. I'm gonna keep the door open. He's still strolling. Huh? Where'd he go? What was that? Ah! Oh, you're putting your face on the camera. That's not very nice. Okay. Yeah, you're looking creepy. Oh, man. Okay, you walked up back forth. Okay, where do you go? Where do you go? Where did that bunny go? Oh, man. Still staring at the pirate cove. Alright. Oh, man. Okay, he's not here. What is this aftermath music? these doors. Okay, nobody's gonna get me now. Okay, you're over here. Where'd he go? Oh, he does not care. I get it. No, I just heard him music. Okay, where'd he go? My camera's glitchy. Alright. Alright, now you're screaming at me. And you're screaming at me and you do not care that I just closed the door in front of you. Okay, you creepy. I'm gonna protect myself. No power left. I could beat through this game so easy. Okay, you do not care. I just heard dumbing again. Alright, can you go away, chicken? I don't know what are these names. I want Jimmy Neutron to tell me that because he's smart. Okay, I see a shadow going back. Sorry, that means good. Oh dear, it's so scary. I'm not letting him in. Oh man. Just gonna keep all the doors closed, and I don't know what the power's going on there. Okay, now you're staring at me. Oh dear. You're still here. Alright. You do not care. Keep that door open. Alright, close it. He's staring at me! Not free of your life! 5! What? Okay, I'll close. I'll open the doors. I promise. I'll open it. Okay. Yippee. Oh my god. Ah! What is that? What is that? Hello? Oh man, it's statically. Oh, I'm gonna use my hailer. Oh, that's me. That's. Oh my god, I can't see! Oh man, just please subscribe and look for the next video of CMB playing something.